Hi, it's Bunny. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm opening several Pinky Street figures from my own collection. If you don't know what these were, they were a line that ran in early 2000s to mid 2000s of just cute, adorable Polly Pocket-like figures. So each one you can interchange its clothing with other figures, and it's like head and accessories and hair. It's so cute. It's so good. So the first one that I'm opening is a pink one, and she's got these little ears, and they have this little, some of them have little holes on their hands, so you can just like slide that little guy up in there. So cute, and they can hold on to stuff. So here she is, and it says Momo the pink teddy bear. Very cute. And there she is, and she came with a little pin as well. She looks so angry, but it's so adorable. Love it, love it. So the next one we are opening is gonna be this one, and this one came with a second outfit, which is kind of the reason why I wanted this one. So there's the back, and it shows you can interchange all of the clothing pieces. But this outfit is so cute. Like, I love the pose for the little schoolgirl outfit, so I had to have it. Like, I want this outfit in real life. It's so cute. But there's a tiny little tie, like the smallest little tie that you have to just poke onto there. And then she also came with this little like butt pack. I don't know, I'm kind of confused about that. It goes on her butt. Anyways, I wanted her to wear the other outfit, so I popped her head right off and I put her on the little shy schoolgirl outfit, and there she is. Oh my god, it's so cute. She might be my favorite one, honestly. She is so precious. This one is another one from the same line as the first one, the pink one. So it's another bear one. And I actually had a couple of these. Those two were up in the shop, and I recorded this like a week ago and they already sold. I'm sorry. Somebody bought both of them, but whoever the buyer is, you're going to love them. They're so precious. Honestly, I'll probably get more into my shop because these are so just like fun, and like the figures themselves are actually really well made. Like, it's not cheap. It's very cute. Very good for like a collectible shelf or like a glass case or something if you have one. So here's her. She's got purple hair, and she also has a tiny little bear. And there's the pin. And look at her. Dun, da, da. So cute. I love the ears. Just so adorable. So good. Like, even the back, like, they're just beautifully made. They're super pretty. And the next one we're gonna open is a big box. Okay, I take it back. This is my favorite. This one is definitely my favorite. I forgot about her. She has the cutest eyes ever. So I have never opened these before. So I opened this up, and I was very pleasantly surprised. I'm getting excited right now. I was very surprised to see that there was a book inside. I was like, what? Because I love collecting magazines and books of stuff from Japan. I just started a series called Bunny's Library, so we'll probably read through that book pretty soon. And it's just got like a bunch of figures in it, all the ones you could get. It's so cute. So it also came with a little insert, which is just like almost 90s vibes, but it's like early Y2K. But here she is. She's got a little outfit. Had to put her little tie on too. I love her eyes, and I love her slouchy arm or leg warmers. I love those. So cute. And she has a second outfit, which the second outfit is really good too. So I might have to like change out one of the other ones to wear that. Next, we have this total mood. She's so angry, and I love her. I wish I knew their names. I don't know if they actually have names. But I know that like certain ones, there's like a certain number of characters, and then they just like gave them different outfits. So I know the faces are used multiple times. Oh, and they also do like collabs that are like from famous games too, which is really cool. But this is her, and I'm gonna keep her exactly how she is. I love that her hands are in her pockets and her hoodie, and she's like angry. She's so good. She's so good. And there's a little pin. And the last one is this one. This is like the real drip piece, I guess. I don't know what this character is from. I think she's probably from a game or from an anime. But I love her aesthetic. So she didn't come with the book, but she came with postcards instead, which is really cool because I put postcards up on my wall. So here she is. If anybody knows who this character is, okay, this postcard, she had her booty showing. So we just went to the next one. If anybody knows who this character is, please let me know, or like what she's from. But yeah, there's these really cute postcards I didn't expect to get. I love these. These are precious. But yeah, I just saw her aesthetic. She's like this goth like princess that has knives. Oh yeah, so super cool. So there's the knife bordered stand, and there she is, and she came with an extra outfit, which is also super cute too. Like that is adorable as well. Love it. So there's her extra outfit with her little tiny tie that I had to put in there. And oh my god, okay, she has the dress, but she also has legs underneath it, and you don't have to wear the dress. Like, dude, she's like Trip NYC vibes. So sick. So there she is with the dress on, but honestly, I think I like her without the dress on. I can't make up my mind. I love both of them so much. So hopefully I get another one and I can just like change them out. But that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Bye!